in this video, we're actually going to be learning the chorus riff of the final track, and that's because it's very closely related to what we've been talking about with the chromatic chord approaches. I want to add a little thing here. This is a very cool trick. In fact, it's like technique, you would say. This is a staccato feel for playing the power chords, and this is what Tony Iommi uses a lot in some of those in-between chromatic approaches. So for example, if I want to go and do this change, A, B flat, B power chord. This is the legato way, or just the normal way of playing it, but the staccato way would be. So that cuts off the rhythm and it creates this sort of excitement or tension coming up. This is a great build-up. So how am I doing this? It's a combination of the two hands. So the left hand lifts the finger, all fingers basically. You're not going far away, you're still touching the strings, but you're releasing pressure. So, but as you see, this is not enough, and you could get noise from the harmonics of the guitar with this gain that we're playing. So you want to combine the right hand to mute all the strings together. Yeah, so this kills the sound completely. Again. So you could practice on any power chord and just get used to this movement the two hands are doing, just to coordinate them. So you lift your left hand, stay close to the strings, and also you put down your right hand to mute any extra noise that could come. And this is what we're going to be applying to this chorus riff that I'm going to play right away, actually. And this is very reminiscent of War Pigs, right? Let's go and check it out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very effective. So this staccato playing and those two in-between chords, it just takes the riff elsewhere, doesn't it? It's not just flowing, but it's got this attack to it. So we're starting with the E power chord. And actually, we're going to slide this off. This is almost like it's staccato, isn't it? But I mean, it's not ringing out, but we're killing it quite quickly with this slide off as well. And then 2 staccato power chords. G power chord and F sharp power chord. Back to G. Just a long chord, and then the same with A power chord. And then we go back to the. This time I'm descending, so same 2 staccato power chords going to an F power chord. Up to G. And that's a whole part. Let me put it together slow. Remember just to synchronize the two hands. For the staccato especially. Let's go. 3, 4.